Knife fights.
Volume 8.
Volume 8 or something. I don't know. We got Zach in the corner and Jeff in the right corner.
I mean, I've been holding this.
Is he using human resources? Because that'd be crazy. 1,
Way too close.
2,
Holding this is my fucking shield.
3, go, ladies.
Get rid of this if you want. No, it's okay. I have to overcome. Oh yeah, what's that thing you taught me not to do with my leg out with the opposite arm? Oh yeah, you're doing it right now. I'm doing it right now. There you go. Alright, okay, yeah. Alright. I try to remember what you teach me.
Oh!
Well, that run me through.
I got it from a funny angle too.
I was like,
that round's over.
Should I go slow right now?
Let's go, girls.
Last night. I've been working for 12.
Oh! Oh! He's still alive!
Pinning me to shit today.
He's still alive! Get him! He's still alive!
Alright, let's just restart that if you want. No, I'm good. Right. My hand is fucking fucked up now.
Oh, that was body armor. Whoa! He went for the kill. In his mouth.
Well, rockets away.
Rockets inbound.
Do they have shotguns that like shoot out 5 at a time?
Yeah, yeah, they're gas.
The gas ones do, yeah.
Shoot like 12 at a time, probably. I don't know.
No, Tokyo Marui makes one where it's kind of like this now, or just no pistol grip. It looks like a shotgun, and it's got a cartridge that you fill up with gas. You put it in the stock, and you get your regular shells like these ones, and you can shoot 3, or if you cock it barely halfway, there's a little opening, and you can push it to shoot 6. Ooh.
Don't look at where you want to attack. Because that'll give away your...
It tells me exactly.
Yeah, I probably did that. Yeah, I probably did that too.
You know what sucks, dude? I've been trying to go shooting lately, and everyone like says they're gonna do it, and then last minute they like bitch out, and then
I know, dude. I
find out they're Instagramming or taking themselves shooting.
Whoa! Yeah, I've been wanting to do some actual shooting lately. It's been fucking years, man. I realized that like last night, like, holy fuck, man, I haven't shot an actual fucking gun in fucking years.
I haven't shot a gun in a minute, so it's like I got 12 gauge 4 loads. I want to fire those. I never fired around that with that load. And they're Italian rounds too.
So. Whoa. I can't keep him. I can't keep him in frame. You just can't grab nothing.
It's not a sword, it's not to cut it off.
Whoa! Whoa! I might have missed that one because I was actually watching it. The camera missed it, but I...
Would have been a stand too if my hand wasn't there. Well, actually, you went straight down,
Oh, wait till you see the ones that me and Zach just did right now. I got skewered with the sword.
Yeah.
And then I got my left hand tacked to my chest with the knife. For some reason my dumbass thought that my wrist was going to block it and I would live. Oh!
That was both my arms. I'm just waiting for it to kill me.